Hi, my name is Caroline Reed. I am one of the two Spanish teachers at Arkadelphia High School, and I look forward to this school year. This year, I will be teaching Spanish 1, 2, and Spanish 3. This is my 17th year at Arkadelphia High School and my 17th year of teaching total. So, one of the things that I'm really excited about this year is the fact that we are going to start um, our year with a new textbook. And the name of our new textbook is Auténtico. One of the things that we really loved about this textbook is the fact that it's available to us in an e-text. And the name of the textbook, Auténtico, of course, means authentic. Therefore, for this textbook, everything that is used, all of the resources are going to be authentic Spanish resources. And one of the things to keep in mind is with these authentic resources, they were developed in Spanish by people who speak Spanish fluently for people who speak Spanish fluently. And that is one of the positive aspects of learning a foreign language. We want to provide as much of an authentic experience as possible. And since we are going to be doing this year a little differently, in order to maintain this level of fluency between virtual and face-to-face instruction, we are going to have virtually the same lessons between both types of learning. So one of the things you see here is that we will have authentic resources for each theme or chapter. Also available through this e-text, you will have audio files, and there are lots of videos that provide, for instance, grammar tutorial videos. There will be vocabulary videos to help acquire new vocabulary, and then even a novela called Pura Vida. So you won't have to carry an actual physical textbook around with you. That will be provided to you through an e-text, and we will have codes to provide to the students. So we're looking really forward to this. The next thing that we have are the workbooks. Now, these workbooks are going to be available in print, but we also have them as part of a digital course. They are guided workbooks. They will have clip art for the vocabulary, even step-by-step grammar activities as you work on these PDF files. And then one of the things too is simplified reading, speaking, and writing activities. Now, in addition to the print workbooks, we also have them available digitally, and these have a lot of really great resources as well. For instance, you will have available to you digital flashcards, communication activities. There will be test prep activities. We have grammar study guides, games, and then there is an interactive map, global map. So that's one of the really great things that Mr. Valdivia and I are very excited about, and we are going to really strive to keep our courses very similar, especially with the classes that we teach the same course, but also in preparing you for the next level. We want to really build our students' foundation and help get them ready for the next level of Spanish. Now, in terms of supplies, given the experience that I have, particularly in a one-to-one device school, there's not a lot that we really require. Number one, obviously you need your device. That's going to be mandatory in order to be successful in this course. But then you'll also occasionally want to take notes, perhaps write something down. And so I just suggest having some paper, writing utensil. And then, one thing I would suggest probably for all students is to have a flash drive, even though you can save things to your Google Drive. And I'm just one of those people that likes to have that extra backup just in case, because you never know. So that's what we'll need in terms of supplies. Another thing, communication. I um, consider myself a person who is very good with communication. I believe that communication, just a little bit of communication, goes a long way. In terms of this year, it is going to be crucial for success in this course. One of the things that I've required in the past and I have found to be very, very helpful is the fact that all students will be required to sign up for remind messages. Uh, if I can deliver a message to all of you at once, most of you will find it much easier to receive a text message and likely pay a little more attention to that than you would an email, and probably receive it a lot more immediately than you do with checking your email. Additionally, I do this every year, but I'm going to really be on top of it this year, is I will provide my personal cell phone number to all students once we get going in Echo and sign up for Remind. And I'd ask that you actually save that. And if you ever have any questions, just feel free to text me. I would encourage you to text rather than call. I'm not really good about answering, especially with numbers that I don't know. So you text me, let me know who you are, and I promise I will get back to you in a timely manner. So, in closing, I'd like to say that I'm very excited about this school year. It's certainly going to be one for the books because it's different, of course, but I believe that we are going to have a wonderful year. I can't wait to get to know everyone, and if you ever have any questions or need any information, please always feel free to contact me, and I will do my best to get an answer for you as quickly as I can. Like I said, I'm excited, and go Badgers!